Hello everyone, I'm Charles. Welcome to Graphic Design Quick Start. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to convert path outlines into vector masks in Photoshop. We will convert the path outlines to vector mask and also apply a pixel-based mask with some effects to create this glowing bulb and also the inner green glow. Let's switch where we left off in the last episode. Let's go to the path panel. Select the combined paths. Go to the layers panel. We need to duplicate our background. Control Alt J, Command Option J on a Mac. Let us call it bulb. To create the vector mask, hold on Control, Command and Mac. Go to the bottom of the layers panel and click on the Add Mask icon. And since you're holding Control, Command and Mac, it will create a vector mask. At the moment, it's as if nothing has happened because our background matches our vector layer. Let's hide it to see the effects. Now let us add some effects. Click on the FX icon. Choose Auto Grow. Our aim here is to match the auto grow with the grow of the filament. Change the opacity to 100%, the blend mode to linear dodge. Change the size to 150 and the spread to 25 to match the grow in the filament. Click on the color swatch. I give it a hue of 50, saturation of 50, and the brightness of 100 to match the color in our filament. Click OK. Click on the inner glow. Click on the color swatch. Give it a green color. That is a hue of 90, saturation of 90, and brightness of 100. Click OK. Change the blend mode to linear light and give it an opacity of 50%, a size of 250. Click OK. You don't need the base method to have the glow. To hide that, we will use a normal pixel-based mask. Make sure the bulb layer is selected. Go to the bottom of the layers panel. Click on the Add Mask icon. Pick the gradient tool by pressing G. Go to the options bar. Click on the down pointing arrow. If you are using the latest Photoshop, go to Basics, twirl it down. Pick the first option, foreground to background. Press D for default foreground and background colors. Press X to switch them so that your foreground is black, the background is white. Go to the meta base, hold Shift and drag upward. Let us now make our mask hide the effects tool. To do that, press M to switch the marquee tool. Right click on the image. Click on blending options. Check layer mask hide effects. That will hide all the effects. If you were using a vector mask, you would check vector mask hides effects. But in our case, it will hide everything. Uncheck it. Click OK. And there we have it, how to convert path outlines into vector mask in Photoshop. Join me in our next episode where I'll show you how to create this starburst. That's it for today. Like, share, and consider subscribing to our channel so that you don't miss out on our next episode.